Hello everyone. So today I want to do this unboxing of this trimmer which I have purchased. Okay. So this is the trimmer I have purchased, Bombay Shaving Company Pro BL trimmer. Okay. And this has cost me around 600 rupees. Okay. Now my previous trimmer was not working properly. Okay. And it needs a lot of cells. It was working on cells. Okay, batteries. Okay, so I was spending a lot of money because it needed powerful cells like Duracell. Okay, powerful ultra cell it needed, and those are already very expensive. So I thought instead of that I should buy a new trimmer which is rechargeable. So this one is a rechargeable trimmer I have purchased here. Okay, and let me show it to you that what is inside of it. So if you open the box, then first of all here you will get this one. I think yes, this is the trimmer. So the trimmer you will get here, let me bring it out. So this is the trimmer you will get from it. Okay, like this in a kind of a polythene here. Okay, and this is the trimmer. Let me bring it out. Okay, so this is what the trimmer looks like. It is already in black color, not because of the video. Okay, it is already in black color, and this one that doesn't have cells, it directly charges. So see, there is a port, as you can see. Let me show you. Yes, see here, there is a port here, and you can charge with this port. And see, this is the trimmer. Okay, this is the switch. You can on it like this, and see, it is already working. You can see the light here when it will work. And this is the trimmer. It is already very powerful. If you try to hear the sound, it is already very powerful. In order to get this much power from my uh, older trimmer, it needs a Dura cells, strong powerful cells. That is why I purchased this one. And the other thing I have is this box here. And if I open if I open the box, then in the box, okay, you have this yes, you have this lead to charge this one. Okay, this is a type C. This is a type C. Okay, this is a type C cable. So you can charge with any mobile cable. Okay, if you have any mobile cable, you can charge with that as well. And of course there are some comb as well. So combs are also given depending on what kind of shave you want. Okay, whether you want okay, whether you want a long shave, okay, or a zero size. See, this is available here. Okay, this one is available. So these sizes are available. Different sizes are available for you to trim. Okay, and then this is available for cleaning purpose. So you can clean your trimmer with the help of this. Okay, and also, okay, there is something else. Okay, so this is the 2-year warranty. Okay, so with this trimmer you will get a 2-year warranty as well. Okay, and this is the warranty card, and other things are also there which are available. Okay, so guidelines to dispose of used trimmer. Okay, so this is what we have available. This is all the things, nothing else. Okay, so this is all the things which are available in the box here. Okay, so this is the trimmer here. Now you can set any kind of comb here. So for example, if you have comb like this, and you have, see here, you can see this. Okay, let me show you. Yes, here you can see this hole here. So here you can have this comb. Okay, let me show you. Just one. So this is the trimmer. and this is the hole, and it will go inside it like this, in this one. Okay, like this. Like this. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay, like this. So this is your trimmer. Actually I am using it for the first time as well. This is the trimmer from sideline, this is the comb from sideline. Okay, and you can attach it above it like this, and if you press this one, see, you can hear the sound tick, and that means it is properly attached. Okay, so this is how you can attach the trimmer, and you can just bring it out from the outside. So let me show you just one more time. This is the trimmer, this is the comb. Attach it from the outside, from the upward, sorry, from the upward you can attach it, and then press it, see, it is attached. Okay, and from the below, from the down, you can see, this is my thumb and this is the handle. You can click on this and see, it will bring out. Okay, so that is what you can do, that is how you can attach any comb as well. And yes, this is one. So this is, and then you can use your trimmer, and then you can recharge it. You can charge it with this type C cable and any of the adapter you have available. You can use your mobile adapter. In fact, you can use your mobile type C cable as well, that is also works. Okay, so this is the unboxing and the use of this trimmer, Bombay Shaving Company Pro Beard trimmer. Okay, thank you very much.